KFC is one of the most iconic fast food chains in the world. The combination of its famous crispy and juicy chicken with that unmistakable flavor makes every bite a delight that many cannot resist. That's why around 10 million pieces of chicken are consumed daily at KFC restaurants worldwide. It's truly insane, right? But wait, have you ever wondered how this product is actually made? Throughout its history, numerous myths have circulated blaming KFC for using chemicals like antibiotics and hormones in chicken production. Some even claim that undesirable ingredients are used. But what's the truth behind all this? Don't worry, in this video, we'll take you on an exclusive tour of KFC factories and reveal step by step the entire production process that turns each piece of chicken into that addictive product we all love. From the rigorous selection of chicken to the final packaging. And who knows, maybe after seeing everything behind this process, you'll think twice before consuming it. So, get comfortable and let's begin. Step number 1, chicken selection. The production process of KFC's famous chicken starts with a rigorous and careful selection of birds to ensure a high-quality final product. KFC works exclusively with farms and suppliers that adhere to strict standards of animal welfare and food safety. These suppliers are closely monitored to ensure that chickens are raised under appropriate conditions, free of stress and without unnecessary administration of hormones or antibiotics. The health and well-being of the birds are key factors in achieving a high-quality product, because well-cared-for chickens produce more tender and flavorful meat. Regarding specifications, KFC requires that selected chickens meet very strict criteria. Chickens should be young, generally weighing between 1 and 2 kilograms, which is considered ideal for achieving the juicy texture and distinctive flavor that the chain is known for. The size and age of the birds are crucial. Younger chickens have tenderer meat, while an appropriate weight ensures even cooking and attractive visual presentation. Furthermore, KFC's suppliers must comply with all current food safety regulations at both local and international levels. This ensures that chickens not only meet quality standards, but also public health requirements, minimizing the risks of foodborne contamination or diseases, thus protecting consumers and the brand's reputation. So, now that you know KFC doesn't use unnecessary chemicals in its chicken, don't relax too much. This is just the beginning of KFC's rigorous process. What other secrets does the chain hold in the making of its star product? Let's find out. Step number 2, chicken slaughter and processing. The slaughter and processing of chicken at KFC are crucial stages performed under strict regulations of animal welfare and food safety. For KFC, adhering to the highest standards is not only an ethical matter, but also directly influences the quality of the final product. Each stage is carefully designed to minimize animal stress, as less stressed chickens produce more tender and flavorful meat. The birds are slaughtered in certified slaughterhouses that use approved methods to minimize suffering. After slaughter, the chickens go through an automated system where they are feathered and thoroughly cleaned, removing impurities and ensuring that the chicken is ready for human consumption. Only the best portions of the chicken make it to KFC kitchens, thanks to a rigorous quality inspection that ensures each bird meets the highest standards. After this inspection, the chickens are cut into individual pieces, such as thighs, breasts, and wings. This is where KFC sets itself apart with its fresh chicken policy. Unlike other chains that rely on freezing, KFC is committed to always offering fresh chicken, preserving its flavor and texture to the fullest. This guarantees that the chicken retains its juiciness and that the breading adheres perfectly, offering consumers a more authentic and delicious experience. With the chicken carefully processed and cut, the next crucial step is the preparation and marination of the pieces. This is where the true transformation of the chicken begins. Step 3. Marination and resting. The marination process is a crucial phase in the preparation of KFC's chicken, where the meat begins to acquire the unmistakable flavor and texture that have made it famous worldwide. Once the chicken pieces arrive at KFC kitchens, employees follow precise protocols to ensure that each piece is fully infused with the special mixture. The chicken is submerged in a solution, the exact formula of which is a well-kept secret, but it varies depending on the recipe. This marinade tenderizes the meat and prepares it to optimally absorb the spices that will be added later. One of the secrets to this process is the resting time, during which the liquid deeply penetrates each fiber, ensuring a uniform flavor and exceptional juiciness. Although the exact recipe remains a mystery, many believe that buttermilk is one of the key ingredients. Its slight acidity not only tenderizes the meat, but also allows the chicken's fibers to open, better absorbing the marinade. Additionally, it provides a soft, tangy touch that enhances the flavor of the spices in the next steps. This process ensures that when fried, the chicken remains juicy inside while forming a crispy, flavorful outer layer. Once the marinade has worked its magic, the moment arrives for KFC's secret recipe to come into play, transforming the chicken pieces into the iconic product we all know. Step 4. The secret recipe. We all love that unparalleled flavor of KFC chicken, but what's the secret that keeps us hooked? One of the most iconic features of KFC's chicken is its unique blend of 11 herbs and spices, the exact content of which remains one of the best-kept secrets in the fast food industry. This formula is essential to giving the chicken its distinctive flavor, making it one of the most recognized foods worldwide. Although the company has tried to maintain the secret, various studies have revealed what seems to be the actual formula. This blend would include ingredients such as salt, thyme, basil, oregano, celery, black pepper, mustard powder, paprika, garlic powder, ground ginger, and white pepper. The combination of these spices is responsible for that unmistakable taste that has made this delicious fried chicken famous. Once the chicken has been marinated and has absorbed those internal flavors, it is time to coat it in this special mixture of herbs and spices, along with flour. Unlike many other processes in the fast food industry, breading at KFC is done manually. Employees carefully coat each piece of chicken, ensuring that all are evenly covered with the mixture. The breading process follows a special technique called double dipping. After the chicken is coated for the first time with the flour and spice mixture, it is submerged again in water or buttermilk, and then the breading step is repeated. This double coating creates a thicker, crispier layer, giving KFC chicken its characteristic texture. This additional breading ensures that when the chicken is fried, the outer layer browns evenly and acquires that crunchy perfection customers expect. The flour and spice mixture not only adds the distinctive flavor to the chicken, but also plays a crucial role in creating the texture. Ingredients like paprika and garlic powder, in addition to adding flavor, contribute to achieving the characteristic golden tone of the outer layer when fried. Moreover, the use of ginger and white pepper gives the breading a touch of mild, balanced spiciness that complements the juicy interior of the chicken. The double dipping also ensures that the breaded layer is not only crispy, but also retains the internal moisture of the chicken. The technique is perfect for preventing the chicken from drying out during cooking, which can easily happen if the meat is not adequately protected. This is one of the key secrets behind the unparalleled contrast between the crispy crust and the tender, juicy inside of KFC chicken. With the chicken perfectly breaded and coated with its layer of 11 herbs and spices, it's time for cooking, a crucial step in achieving the perfect final texture. What frying method ensures the chicken comes out golden, crispy, and juicy without being greasy? Let's see. Step 5. Perfect cooking. The cooking method used by KFC is one of the most important and distinctive techniques that make its chicken unique. Instead of traditional frying, KFC has perfected the use of pressure fryers, a technique that not only improves efficiency, but ensures the perfect balance between a crispy texture and a juicy interior. Pressure frying cooks the chicken faster than conventional methods and prevents it from absorbing too much oil, resulting in a lighter, less greasy piece. When cooked under pressure, the chicken's natural juices are sealed in the meat, ensuring that every bite is tender and juicy. Additionally, this technique allows for even cooking of all pieces, from breasts to wings, maintaining consistent quality across every KFC restaurant. Precise control of time and temperature is key. These variables are standardized across all franchises, meaning that no matter where in the world you are, this chicken will always have the same taste and quality. Thanks to advanced pressure fryer technology, times and temperatures are precisely adjusted, eliminating the risk of undercooked or overly dry chicken. With the chicken cooked to perfection, it's ready to be packaged and served on menus to each customer. Step 6. Presentation and packaging. Once the chicken has been cooked and has reached the perfect golden crispy texture, it is essential to ensure that it maintains its quality until it reaches the customer. To do this, KFC uses special heaters that keep the chicken at a safe and adequate temperature. This step is crucial to preventing bacterial growth without compromising product quality. The heaters are designed to keep the chicken warm and ready to serve without drying it out or affecting its crispy texture. It is important that the chicken does not remain in the heater for more than 30 minutes. After this time, the chicken begins to lose its freshness and the crispy texture, which is one of its most appreciated characteristics. This limitation ensures that every piece of chicken served is as delicious and high quality as when it came out of the fryer. When a customer places an order, the chicken is carefully packaged in KFC's distinctive buckets or boxes. These containers are designed not only to safely transport the chicken, but also to maintain the optimal flavor and texture of the product. With the chicken packaged and ready for delivery, the process moves to the final step, the customer experience. From the presentation of the packaging to the service in the restaurant, every detail matters to ensure a satisfying experience. Step 7. The chicken reaches the menu. The journey of KFC chicken culminates when it arrives on the menu, ready to be devoured. KFC offers not only its famous fried chicken, but also a variety of options such as sandwiches, wraps, and salads, catering to diverse tastes. The presentation of the product, the packaging, and the restaurant environment play a crucial role in the customer's perception. The packaging, designed to preserve the chicken's freshness and texture, contributes to an attractive and functional visual experience. The restaurant atmosphere and customer service are also key, with a focus on cleanliness, speed, and friendliness. The quality of the chicken, along with its presentation and service, ensures a positive and memorable experience. Once the chicken is on each customer's menu, its journey comes to an end, ready to be enjoyed by millions of people around the world. Tell me, is it what you expected? From the moment it arrives at the restaurant to the time you order it, each piece has gone through a careful process of marination, breading, and frying, all under strict quality standards. This guarantees that unmistakable crispy flavor that has made KFC famous. However, it's important to remember that while its flavor is irresistible, regular consumption of fried foods and those high in fat can have health consequences, ranging from weight gain to heart problems. These risks increase if this type of food becomes a regular part of your diet. If you enjoy this chicken, we suggest doing so in moderation and pairing it with healthier, more balanced options. To conclude, we have a question for you. Now that you know the process and everything involved in its preparation, will you continue to consume it?